What's snapping? I'm the Northwest Gator, and today I'm going to be painting a skateboard with fireworks. So what we got for supplies today are a couple of bottles of paint that I just picked up from the dollar store a little while ago. I sanded and primed this skateboard earlier, and then we've got the firecrackers. So I've got some Navy Seals. Those are waterproof firecrackers. These Kung Fu Rabbits were the closest things that the guys at the res said were closest to M80s.
Oh, that's real good.
And then I got the Thunder Bomb, which is a bunch of firecrackers. So we're gonna play with those too. Just gonna pour it into this cup.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
And then I'm just gonna stick one of these waterproof Navy Seals.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
For this next one, I'm going to use the same can. There's still some blue paint in there. I'm just going to add a little bit of this purple. Put a little bit of yellow on top.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
And then this one, I'm going to stick a couple of these firecrackers in. But I'm going to let them all touch so they all explode at the same time. But I should only have to light one. Using a punk so I can stand a little bit further away. Hey, that's a little bit more what we're looking for.
That's real good.
Got paint all over my phone, but whatever. So for this next one, I'm gonna put in a bunch of orange. Some yellow.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody
And I'm gonna do another 3 of those Navy Seals, and I'm gonna do it in slow motion this time.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Is that a cool effect or what?
Stopping me.
Nice. Let's keep going. Now I'm curious to see what it's like if I just put a big puddle of paint in the middle and just let a firework blow right on that. So, right here.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
All right, now we're gonna try a whole bunch of firecrackers with a whole bunch of paint. I'm gonna pour the paint inside of this metal 2-inch can. Purple. And I'm just gonna lay this sucker right in there like this.
0, 1,
Northwest Gator shit.
2,
Oh, fuck.
3.
Let's get started.
Alright, this one's gonna be in slow-mo.
Oh, that's real good.
Alright, this next one, I'm gonna do a big explosion of yellow with the Kung Fu Rabbit and the yellow.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping
Wow.
me.
So my phone ran out of memory as soon as it went off, as soon as I lit it, but you could see how much bigger that explosion was than the other ones.
Stopping me.
I wish I would have caught that explosion on camera because it was a really good one. Alright, I'm gonna do one more of the big explosion with all blue, and then I'm just gonna wrap it up with little firecrackers, saving me some memory. Just do it really quickly.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping
So this is the end result. I'm gonna save the rest of my fireworks for other art projects. I just want to come out and see how they all work. I'm really satisfied with the way that it worked. I can't wait to see the clips and edit everything tonight. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for checking out the Northwest Gator. I'll see you next time.